Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Landlords, my landlords, we are back with Umkhokha the curse, and it's happening, right? So Umkhokha will never cease to amaze you and has always a plot twist. Okay, let's start with Mamzobe. Mamzobe is excited. Girl is getting married. Like at this point, you feel like isencane lengane uMamzobe ushade. Oh, I can't sing to save my life. But nonetheless, Umamzobe is happy. Uphakathwayo was asked to leave so that at least agaboni the bride before the wedding. So the wedding is happening. And then it's going to be nice. We don't know how the decor is going to be like, but I trust Unobuntu at this. Umamzobe was given a special treatment. Ukgirl Nkeriwa was massaged the feet and the wadi. Hey, Ukgirl is having a time of her life. At this point, she is the most blessed wife around. But the wife that is not blessed and is miserable, Ubani, Umazungu. Umazungu is not happy, even when Umamzobe is trying to tell her about her perfect wedding and everything, but Umazungu is just not happy. Ukgirl is not happy because Umapalala's brother decided to come with his wife and stay where they were staying. Now, it's two women in the same house. It cannot happen. It's two queens in the same space. It's not happening. But now the queens are not treating each other like queens because Umazungu is not even able to eat kahle. Ukgirl bamncintsha ukudla like phila nginongwanyana utloba bona etloba slender utloba size 20 mama because she's not eating properly. And why? Because somebody decided ukuba nenhliziyo embi. But ke decided to no, there must have an intervention must happen. Unfortunately, the intervention could not happen accordingly. One the intervention that they can help with is prayers right now. Outside prayers, there's nothing much that they can do, right? So let us pray for Mazungu and see ukuthi uyophelela phi ugel nge-predicament yakhe. Kube indaba kabani le engangiphathi kahle engangilalisi, right? Indaba ka Nomkhosi. Guys, uNomkhosi wants the position of Umabusi so bad that now she cannot hide it. And I told you guys, I told you. But now that's not the problem of hiding it. The problem is planting the seed, right? The problem is planting the seed. Kubani, kukhulekani. And the more the wife plants the seed, the man will take it. Because they brought money today, right? While they brought money today, and like you could see, there was a tense moment of 2 seconds when Ukhulekani was supposed to pray for the man, and I'm like, is Ukhulekani falling for this temptation or what's happening? But like, I believe Unomkhosi sandlas emfene siyongena afike lo the lady that was blind, right? And then she was able to see. She came with proof that Velishik was unable to see. They were happy, and she offered to give Ukhulekani half of her salary. And Ukhulekani refused the money and said, all glory goes to Umthembu. And when the only thing that you must do is to take care of your family. That is why Umthembu gave you vision so that you can be with your kids and take care of your family. Unomkhosi ngapha I'm marinating kahle le ndaba yakho, right? Go to a temple lenkosi, speaks to the mom prophet. Mom prophet says, your husband is gifted, but he's not called. He's not the one. There can only be one Zamkolo, and that's it. And do not want to tamper with that. And also, Ukhulekani knows it, but I think he's going to take his wife's side. I don't know. Where there's power. Ukhulekani then goes and prays to Umvelasi to say, save Ulo. Nomkhosi, because my wife does not know what she's doing. I know this is going to come with a hefty punishment but please forgive her. You know how much I love her. Will she be forgiven? Asaz. But yeah, this is your girl, Disebo D. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace. Bye.